In this video, we see about baseband digital receiver. So baseband communication means you are not using modulation there. You are transmitting the information signal as it is. So this is the baseband digital receiver block diagram. So the input information is ST, which is either 1 or 0. So we have represented it as S1T. ST can be S1T or S2T. Now, S1T corresponds to 1 and S2T corresponds to 0. So this is S1T is a pulse of amplitude A having duration T. S2T corresponding to 0 has the pulse of amplitude minus A and duration T. Now in the channel noise is introduced, so that is indicated by NT. Now here the input to the first block in the receiver is LTI filter. Input to that is ST plus NT, that is information signal, that is 1 or 0, and noise. Now this LTI filter has the impulse response HT, and you know that output of the LTI filter is nothing but the convolution of the impulse response HT into the input ST plus NT. So that is written here. Now instead of writing this, we are writing YT is equal to S naught T plus N naught T. S naught T is the convolution of ST into HT, and N naught T is convolution of NT into HT. So after that there is a block sampler in the receiver which samples this YT. So if it is sampled at T, then output will be y of t equal to S naught t plus N naught t. Instead of small t, I am using t because we are sampling at this instant. Now instead of writing that, we are directly writing it as y is equal to S naught plus N naught. Now the next block is a decision device. Decision device will decide in favor of 1. That means if y is the input to the decision device, then if y is greater than lambda, that is cut in value, then it will decide that 1 is transmitted, and when y is less than lambda, then it will decide that 0 is transmitted. And y is equal to, as we have already seen, that y is equal to S naught plus N naught. S naught can be A or minus A, or S naught T, or we can say A as S naught 1 and minus A as S naught 2. So here the group is written. What is S naught T? S naught T is equal to S naught 1 T or S naught 2 T. S naught 1 T corresponding to digital 1 and S naught 2 T corresponding to digital 0. So now let us comment about this Y. So S naught is a deterministic value, that means deterministic variable. It has value 1 or 0. N naught is random, so Y is a random. But y is a conditional random variable because y is equal to S naught plus N naught, and y S naught can be A plus N naught for 1, or it can be minus A plus N naught for 0. So S naught y value depends on this S naught, or y value changes as per the S naught value. So y is a conditional random variable. So y has the conditional probabilities or PDFs as Fy given 1 transmitted y, or Fy given 0 transmitted y, and noise PDF is given by F n naught n naught. Now there is a it can happen that this decision device may take the wrong decision, that if 1 is transmitted, it will say that 0 is if 1 is transmitted, it can decide that 0 is transmitted. So there is a because of noise, or if 0 is transmitted, that is S naught is equal to 0, a decision device will say that 1 is transmitted. That is because of this noise. So there is a chance that decision device will take the wrong decision. So what is that chance? That is called probability of error. Now probability of error is given by probability of 0 transmitted into conditional probability that decision device decides in favor of 1 when 0 is transmitted, plus probability of one transmitted into conditional probability that decision device decides in favor of 0 when 1 is transmitted. So that is the probability of error. So let us write it. So probability of 0 transmitted. Now now the probability of this we are writing. So for writing this is 1. That means decision device decides 1 because that means y is greater than lambda, then only it decides 1. So decision device has the input y and lambda. It decides 1 when y is greater than lambda. So it is written that y is greater than lambda. But y is a conditional. So what it depends on whether 0 is transmitted or 1 is transmitted. So we have written y is 0 transmitted. This one. So let us write this one. Probability 0 1 transmitted, that means y decision device has taken that decision because y it has encountered that y is less than lambda. So for 0 we have written y is less than lambda. So y is less than lambda, that's why then again y is a conditional. So so instead of writing only y, we are writing y 1 transmitted less than lambda. Now we have already the conditional probability can be written in terms of PDF by integration. So probability of 0 transmitted means S naught is equal to S naught 2 or S naught is equal to minus A, and this probability we can write it as lambda to infinity PDF of y given 0 transmitted Fy dy. Probability of 1 transmitted means probability S naught is equal to S naught 1 or probability S naught is equal to A, and y less than lambda is minus y 1 transmitted less than lambda means minus infinity to lambda. Y varies from minus infinity to lambda, and conditional PDF of y, that is Fy 1 transmitted y dy. So this is the expression for probability of error. Now if they have given you the noise PDF, then you have to modify this equation as below. So y is equal to S naught plus N naught. Now y 0 transmitted is equal to, if y is 0 transmitted, then S naught is equal to minus A plus N naught. If y is equal to 1 transmitted, that means y is equal to y 1 transmitted is equal to A, S naught is A, so A plus N naught. So probability of error, again we are writing this expression, that probability of 0 transmitted into probability of y greater than lambda plus probability of 1 transmitted into probability of y 1 transmitted less than lambda. Now instead of y we are writing, if it is 0 transmitted, y is equal to minus A plus N naught. We are writing here this one. If it is 1 transmitted, y is equal to A plus N naught. So taking A on that side, you will get N naught greater than lambda plus A. Here N naught less than lambda minus A. So this is N naught. Probability of noise. So we can use now the PDF of noise. So probability of S naught equal to minus A. Now N naught greater than lambda plus A means lambda plus A to infinity, and PDF of noise Fn naught N naught dn naught. Now probability of S naught is equal to A, that is probability of 1 transmission. Now N naught is less than lambda minus A, that means minus infinity to lambda minus A, and then PDF of noise. So these are the expressions for probability of error, which are once again written here. So from this video we have understood that y is a conditional random variable, and we have found the probability of error.